Students, so now start new chapter, coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. First draw a line. This line is called vertical axis, vertical line, and this line is called horizontal line, and intersection point of this line is denoted by this point is O, and this point is called origin. Origin O, and this line is called horizontal line, and this one is called vertical line. Horizontal line and vertical line. From right side of origin, this one is origin. This horizontal line is also known as x-axis. X-axis. This horizontal line is known as x-axis, and this vertical line is known as y-axis, and denoted by y and y dash. Y dash means from origin to right side of x-axis, this is called positive x-axis. Positive x-axis, and from origin to left side, this is called negative x-axis. Negative x-axis. Negative x-axis. Similarly, from origin to upper side is called positive y-axis. This is called positive y-axis, also called vertical line, and this one is called negative y-axis, that is under the origin. Negative y-axis, upper side positive y-axis. Now this point कॉल है origin. इतना पॉइंट समझ में आ गया. This is called vertical axis, and this one is called horizontal axis, and intersection point is called origin, and from origin to right side positive x-axis and left side negative x-axis. In the side of negative axis denoted by x dash. Similarly, negative of y axis denoted by y dash. इतना point clear है? Okay. Now, one more figure draw. This is x axis, x dash, y and y dash. This one is origin. Origin. So this horizontal and vertical line divides on this blackboard into 4 parts, or if you draw a line x axis and y axis on your paper, then that paper also divides in 4 parts. First part, second part, third part, this one is 4th part. So each part is called quadrant, that is, this is called quadrant. Each part is called quadrant. This is also called quadrant. This one also called quadrant. This is also called quadrant. And this quadrant is called quadrant number 1. This is called quadrant number 2. This one called quadrant 3, and this is called quadrant 4. and already know from origin to right side it's called a positive x-axis, and this point here 1 positive x-axis means write 1 2 3 and 4 and so on, and from left negative x-axis that is your right -1 -2 -3 -4 and so on, and upper side of origin that is along vertical line positive axis 1, this one is 2, this one is 3, same negative side that is lower the axis -1 -2 -3, here negative axis that is negative value. So this is a axis. So each part is called a quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant and third quadrant, and value is negative. ये वैल्यू नेगेटिव दिख रहा है -1 -2 -3. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट फिगर. ये x axis x dash y and y dash. Suppose point here 1 2 3 4 5, here -1 -2 -3, 1 2 3, here -1 -2 -3, that is along x axis all are positive value, all are positive, and in x dash all are negative, y positive and y dash negative. So suppose here any point, here P is any point on this quadrant, this is called first quadrant, here first quadrant, and move anti-clockwise, not clockwise, move anti-clockwise. First quadrant anti-clockwise, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Clockwise move नहीं करना है, anti-clockwise. Suppose this P point here, then in this P point, what is the position? Suppose check that position of a point P. What is the position of a point P? So for position of a point P, draw perpendicular from P on x-axis. Suppose this point is A, that is first we draw perpendicular from P to x-axis, then also draw perpendicular from P to y-axis. इस पे भी ड्रॉ कर दिए perpendicular. This point suppose B and this point suppose A. This one is point A. That हम क्या कर रहे हैं? For checking the position of a point P. Draw perpendicular from P to x-axis, then draw perpendicular from P to y-axis. So check that what is the intersection point on x-axis. अब P से ड्रॉ की हो perpendicular, तो intersection point क्या है? 2. Intersection point is 2. So this 2 is the x coordinate of point A. That is at point P the value of x is equal to 2. बिकॉज आप P से ड्रॉ कर रहे हो परपेंडिकुलर, तो x एक्सिस के किस पॉइंट पे टच कर रही है? 2 पे. तो इस पॉइंट का x इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा वैल्यू? 2. नाउ वी ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम P ऑन y एक्सिस. y एक्सिस पे किस पॉइंट पे टच कर रहा है? एट 1. सो पोजिशन ऑफ P दैट इज y इज इक्वल टू 1. सो दिस इज द पोजिशन ऑफ पॉइंट P. x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, and this point can also written. So position of P पोजीशन ऑफ P क्या हो गया, x इज इक्वल टू 2 एंड y इज इक्वल टू 1. This can also written, or this also written, position of P can written also 2 1, not in the necessary x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, not necessary. Directly first write the value of x, then second write the value of y. This is the value of x and this is the value of y. So position can written into xy form, that is first write the value of x, then second write the value of y. And इतना समझ में आ गया point 2 1, first write the value of x, then second write the value of y. Suppose here point, any point is B or any point is C, or suppose this point is Q, Q is any point, then what is the position of point Q? So check that. आप चेक करो कि x एक्सिस पे वर्टिकली कौन सा पॉइंट है, इस x एक्सिस पे वर्टिकली कौन सा पॉइंट होगा 2. सो फर्स्ट राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ x, y पे चेक कर लें जस्ट अपोजिट कौन सा वैल्यू है -3, तो y का वैल्यू क्या हो गया -3. सो कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ q क्या हो गया 2 -3, दैट इज पोजीशन ऑफ q. Position of q is equal to what? Is equal to 2 -3. This position of q 2 -3 is also called coordinate of point q. This both is called coordinate. This 2 3 is called coordinate. Coordinate, also called coordinate. So we say that coordinate of q, we say that, so we say that coordinate of q is equal to 2 -3. This is the coordinate of q, 2 -3. This coordinate 2 is called x coordinate. X coordinate, and this coordinate is -3 is called y coordinate. This one is called y coordinate. This -3 is called y coordinate. So first point is the x coordinate and second point is the y coordinate. This x coordinate is also called abscissa. This x coordinate also called abscissa. X coordinate also called abscissa, and y coordinate is called ordinate. Y coordinate is called ordinate. This y coordinate is called ordinate. Ordinate, that is x coordinate is called abscissa, y coordinate is called ordinate, and first point is the x coordinate. So first point is the value of abscissa and second point is the value of ordinate. So this is the position of a point. Now this figure, Since this is called first quadrant, this one is second quadrant, this is a third quadrant, this one is a fourth quadrant. Or in this same figure, suppose this same figure ऐसे बता रहा है. Here this point P lie in first quadrant. So what is the coordinate of P? 2, 1, and coordinate of Q 2, -3. Suppose here any point, this one, here point suppose R, so just check करो what is the value of x. या x के वैल्यू क्या होगा -3 and the value of y is 3. So what is the coordinate of R? First write the value of x, then write the value of y. This coordinate is -3, 3. -3, 3. This is coordinate of R. Now suppose this point PQRS, point in S, then we draw perpendicular from S to y axis and x axis. या x axis पे ड्रॉ कर दे परपेंडिकुलर. किस पॉइंट पे टच कर रहा है? -2. सो कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ x कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ s -2 एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट पे क्या है? also -2. So coordinate of s is -2 and -2. And this one is called first quadrant, this is called second quadrant, and this one is called third quadrant, and this is called fourth quadrant. So in first quadrant, what is the value of P, that is coordinate of P? Coordinate of P, this coordinate of P in first quadrant, coordinate of P is equal to 2, 1, and this coordinate of P in first quadrant, and which coordinate is 2, 1, that is both are positive. So in first quadrant, x value positive and y also positive. Plus means first plus is the value of x and second is the value of y. So in this quadrant, since both are positive, so in first quadrant x positive and y negative, that is in first quadrant this point lie in which quadrant? This lie in first quadrant. This point lie in first quadrant, and first quadrant sign both are positive, that is plus. This point R lie in second quadrant, and what is the coordinate of R? Coordinate of R is -3 and 3, that is x negative and y positive. This point lie in second quadrant, and in second quadrant x is negative and y positive, x negative and y positive, x is negative and y is positive, negative positive. So in third quadrant sign is x is negative and y is positive. Now coordinate of S, what is coordinate of S? -2, and this point S lie in which quadrant? Third quadrant. This is lie third quadrant, and in third quadrant both are negative, So in third quadrant, sign minus, then minus. Both are negative. X negative and Y also negative. And coordinate of Q, what is coordinate of Q? 2 and minus 3. 2 and minus 3. And this point lie in fourth quadrant. This lie in fourth quadrant. And in fourth quadrant, X is positive and Y is negative. So in fourth quadrant, sign of coordinate is plus minus, because X is plus and Y is minus. So this is the position of a point according to quadrant. तो आप exercise आप 3 point, check that 3.1, exercise 3.1 का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Exercise 3.1, question number 1. 3.1 question is, how will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? How will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? सपोज करो यह टेबल लैंप है, यह सपोज किया लैंप, यह इस पॉइंट पे लैंप है, इसका पोजीशन फाइंड करना है टू अनदर पर्सन. सपोज करिए यहाँ पे अनदर पर्सन है, अनदर पर्सन यहाँ सपोज किए, यह हो गया पर्सन, इस पॉइंट पे पर्सन है. सो वी ड्रॉ ए हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल लाइन अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस पर्सन. इस पर्सन अकॉर्डिंग टू क्या ड्रॉ करना है? हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल लाइन. सो फॉर हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन दैट इज पैरेलल टू अर्थ. सो दिस इज ए हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन and this is called vertical line. This is a point and this vertical line is called y axis and this is called x axis. And suppose this person as a origin, this point person suppose origin, then here find the position of a lamp. For position of a lamp, we draw perpendicular from lamp to x axis and y axis. दोनों पॉइंट पर ड्रॉ कर देना है perpendicular. And this point suppose A and this one suppose point B. And now check that what is the distance of OA. Suppose this distance is A. OA distance suppose A. And OB distance suppose B. So this A on x axis, so its coordinate, x coordinate is A and y coordinate is B. So this is the position of a lamp. So if OA is equal to A and OB is equal to B, then position of lamp is equal to AB. This is the position. तो आप इसको एक्सरसाइज 3.1 भी ट्राई कर सकते हो. आप ये दोनों ट्राई कर लोगे. ओके.